right here, this is a replica of the helicopter here at Skydive Dubai. They took 1,200 photos of the helicopter to get every single detail correct. And this one, we're going to fly. This is so cool. Look at the pilot here. Everything is just so accurate. Unbelievable. Actually, all opens up. So you open this, that slides over, and you've got the turbine here, and then the fuel is down here, housed just here, and then you can open this as well. And then here you can also see the pilot. And this one costs about 13,000 euros, and it took 6 months to make. And now we're going to fly it. All right, okay, so show us how it's done. That is awesome. Wait.